Well, I've started up my own business, so I'm just here to get some more skills to actually go on and save myself hiring so many people to do as much work as possible. And they tailor the courses around you, which makes it really good to do. So, like, Paul's been asking, what do you want to do today? So I've been saying I want to hang a door, so I've been learning how to hang a door, actually what I want to know in the time I've been here. I looked them up online and had a look at the website, and it looked a very good course, so I decided to sign up, rang them up, came up, spoke to Paul and Simon downstairs. Originally I did the City and Guilds bricklaying course downstairs before Christmas. I wanted to improve my general site skills, so I've just done a week's carpentry course, sort of introduction to doing skirting boards, hanging and door. Actually want to do the Part P electrical course, but because they were booked up, I had some free time before that, so I thought I'd come and do a carpentry course. Very recommend Able Skills, very friendly, nice staff. They've taught me anything I needed to know. I've got a question, ask them, even if it's not something directly to do with the course, if it's something else in another area of construction, they can tell you about it as well. So very helpful. Yeah, very good facilities, yeah. It's not too busy, it's good one-on-one. I think it's 8 people maximum on the bricklaying course downstairs. Anytime you need to talk to the tutor, he's around, so it's very useful.
I've been coming to Able Skills for about, well, over 12 months now. I've done my plumbing training. Then I went on to do some other bits and pieces that supported the plumbing, then did electrical. Then I went on to gas, where I found kind of the main area I'm interested in. So I've now come on, and the course I'm on now is the commercial gas. So learned lots and lots of things. I had no practical skills before I came here. It was a bit daunting to start with, especially when the plumbing and they put a blowtorch in your hand on the first day. But my confidence and my abilities and my skills have improved dramatically over that time. And the area I'm mainly interested in now is gas. So I'm on this commercial course. It's much better than I thought it would be. I thought it was just going to teach me to pass the exams, okay, which a lot of courses are. Not necessarily at Able Skills, but a lot of other courses I've done at other places have been just to get you through. The commercial course covers the key stuff, information you need to know, the theory and so on, but it's mainly practical. So all the questions that you'd have in your mind about, oh, how do I fix that? What happens if that happens when I'm out there? A lot of those things are kind of covered off in the course, like taking burners apart on boilers, the testing, the fault finding. These are all the key things that, to be honest, when I looked out there, no one else was offering. And the kind of thing I would suggest to anyone who's interested in coming to Able Skills is that you want a course that's going to make you feel confident once you've finished and got your qualifications to go out and actually work with other people and work on commercial jobs or domestic jobs. And that's one thing they do here. Commercial training is second to none. I feel very confident. I've had a massive kind of knowledge increase, and just getting onto burners and different types of boiler give me the confidence where I've got my exams next week, and I am, like I said, going to feel confident to go out there and work with other people, which I probably wouldn't have got if I'd gone somewhere else. To say how I feel about Able Skills, I've been doing obviously lots of courses here over the last year. I've moved from Portsmouth to Scotland, and I still travel down from Scotland to come to Able Skills in Dartford. That says an awful lot about how I feel about Able Skills. I usually stay in accommodation that's here, but it's a nice pleasant room, they're kept clean. There's some kind of communal kind of eating areas, and that we can have a chat with other people that are on courses and sit down and do coursework. And great value for money, £20 a night in London. You're not really going to get that anywhere else. I've been here so long now, I've even bought my own fridge for my room. So, but anyway, the commercial course, fantastic. The tutor is superb, and I'm really looking forward to finishing this course and going out there and working.
Okay, my name's Mark Brennan. I'm currently a serving officer in the British Army. I'm due to retire next May, and to that end I'm down at Able Skills undergoing a period of resettlement training. When I leave the Army, I'm hoping to move into the renewable energy sector. To that end, I've come down here to Able Skills in order to undergo training, gain some experience, and more importantly, gain some qualifications. I've undergone basic plumbing and more advanced plumbing courses. I've done some electrical courses, and I'm now undergoing the renewable energy awareness courses. I found out about Able Skills through a resettlement magazine. I noticed they had an advertisement in there offering all the various trade courses, and so I simply rang up and put myself onto a course. The training I've received here at Able Skills has been excellent. The facilities down here are superb. Each unit is very well equipped. It's got all the latest equipment in there, which you can get hands-on experience. Instruction-wise, the instructors are very experienced. They've all recently been working within trade, and so they've got some valuable lessons to sort of pass on to the students. And I've found in general that they're really good at guiding you through the entire process. I particularly enjoyed the basic plumbing course, which was a mix of classroom theory and workshop practical. Classroom theory gets into the books and you learn the rules and regulations, and the practical, you're actually in a workshop doing live installations which you see right through to the end. I'm coming to the end of my training here at Able Skills. I've got 1 or 2 more small courses to do, but no doubt I will be back in the future for further reassessment or to go on more advanced courses. I would be happy to recommend Able Skills to anybody, especially service leavers who are considering leaving the forces, as it offers an excellent route into the trades.
Hi, Chris Oldfield. I've been in the Royal Engineers for approximately 23 years. I'm currently about to leave the military, and I'm now at Able Skills, enhancing some of my military engineering. I've already got some of the plumbing qualifications. I've been here off and on for about the last 3 weeks in a series of modules doing renewable energy awareness, solar, thermal, all sort of aspects of plumbing, which I'm like I said, bolting on to existing qualifications. Found out about Able Skills initially through word of mouth off a friend, then afterwards through the internet. Then our resettlement officers have got booklets, because Able Skills is an enhanced learning credit registered company. It's worked out perfect for me so far. It's exactly what I need for towards the aspects of resettlement for the next coming years when I do leave the military. Yes, I'm intending to come back in the future. Early next year, around about April time, I'm intending to book some courses very soon as regards biomass, which they're trying to get online, and working with other companies to get online with biomass qualifications, which I intend to do next year. Instructional wise, facilities wise, very good. Theory. Practical, I've not done much because my BTEC qualifications didn't need much practical. If they had a chance of enhancing in the future, which I'm sure they will, they'll try and enhance on the practical sides, and that'll be a recommendation I'll pass on. But it's been very good, extremely professional and very informative. The instructors I've had so far at Able Skills have been good instructors, extremely approachable in their manner. If you've got any quandaries or queries, they'll try and address them and help you out the best they can. The training I've gained from Able Skills as regards to renewable energy over the last 3 or 4 weeks is, I believe, set me up quite well for when I go to Scandinavia. All the qualifications are compatible for the European Union as far as I'm aware, and I was informed of that, and it's prepared me well for when I work in the renewable energies industry over there. I would recommend, especially to fellow soldiers who are leaving the army, as long as you're focused on what you exactly want to do, Able Skills will give you direction as to what suits you best, so you're not wasting your time and your money. And for the construction industry, I definitely recommend for fellow soldiers. That's not a loose recommendation, it's a firm one.
I'm currently doing a 2-day wallpaper hanging course. Reason being is to pick up on skills for paper hanging, i.e. feature walls in domestic houses, as it's more and more popular these days. I found out about Able Skills just through doing an internet search. The guy sent me a brochure with a DVD, so I had a look through obviously the DVD, decided to go with Able Skills. Second day today, so I'm finishing up today. Yeah, I found it really useful. Guys are really helpful. Yes, great course. Learned how to splice into paper, cutting around windows, reveals and architraving. So yeah, it's really good. Yeah, definitely recommend Able Skills. Yeah, worthwhile course.